Hello friends, welcome to Java Study Point. So today we will know about entire syllabus of Java. So how many modules is there, and under this module how many sections is there. So in the first module we will know about core Java programmings. After that there are many sections under this module. So in the section 1 we have to know about basic programming of Java. And under this section we will study about JDK components and installation. And the second point is sample programming. So we will know about sample programming of Java under this section. And third point is variables. So we will study about variable also. And for fourth one is methods and functions. Fifth point is controls, statements. Sixth point is array, and seventh point is a string. So we will know about array and a string in this section. Under section 2 we have to study about OOPS concept of Java. So under this concept we have to study about class, object, and second point is memory. Third point is block. Fourth one is constructors, and we will also know about inheritance under this section. And sixth one is composition, method overloading, and method overriding is there. Eighth point is typecasting. Ninth point is polymorphism. 10th point is abstract class. 11th is inheritance. Now under section 3. Under section 3 we will know about Java library. So what is Java library? How many points is there under the Java library? So everything we will know about this under this section. So the first point is object class. So we will know about object class under the Java library. How to work in the Java of object class. And second point is a string in depth. So we will know about a string and array in depth. Okay. And fourth point is exception handling. So we will study about exception handling. How to handle the exception in Java. So we will study about this under the Java library under the section 3. So fourth point is thread programming. And in the fifth point we will study about threads. How to work the threads in Java. What is thread? And we will also know about thread programming under the section 3. And sixth point is collection framework of library. What is the collection frameworks? And we have to know about collection framework in depth under section 3. And we will also study about file programming. Now under module 2. So under module 2 we have to know about J2EE programming. So under the J2EE programming we will study about JDBC programming. So how to connect the Java with a database to the help of JDBC. So we will study everything about this under section 1. And second point is Java language. And under section 2 we will know about servlet programming. So under servlet programming we will study web application declaration. Second point is JDBC programming, and third point is web technology. So under web technology we will study about HTML and CSS. Now under section 3. So under section 3 we will study about JSP programming. Now under module 3. So under module 3, Java framework is there. So we will study about framework of Java. So the first point is MVC architecture, second point is a Spring, and third point is a Spring Boot, and fourth one is Hibernate. So we will study about this under the framework of Java. So this is the entire syllabus of Java.